We're gonna make some Cowboy beef and noodles. I'm gonna start with 2 pounds of ground beef that I already cooked and drained. Go ahead and get that spread around the bottom of your baking dish. And we're gonna throw a 16-ounce can of baked beans on top of that, as well as 1 cup of beef broth. Try to spread it all around. Moving right along, we're going to throw in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Get it nice plop out of there. Scrape it out. And we're also going to do cream of onion. This is going to be a flavor-packed meal. All right, once you have that out, we're going to throw in 1 packet of onion soup mix on top of that. And we're going to give it a light stir to get everything kind of mixed together, especially those liquid ingredients on top. You want to get those stirred together. Once you give it a nice stir, finally we're going to throw in 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese that we've cubed up. Put the cubes on different areas of the dish so you get cheese on every bite. Okay, once you have that on there, you're going to throw the lid on. And we're going to put it on high for 3 hours. All right, so it's been 3 hours. So now that it's been 3 hours, we're going to give it a nice, good stir to get that cream cheese spread around in our mixture here. And very important ingredient we're about to throw in is our egg noodles. We have 12 ounces of egg noodles. We're going to throw in at the end. Get it nice and mixed in with our meat and creamy mixture here. All right, once you've given it a good mix, it is time to try this bad boy. Let's dig in. Mm-mm. Yeah, baby. Y'all, this is really good. Oh my goodness. It's like if you were to take Hamburger Helper and level it up a few levels. I don't know if that's a good sell, but to me, it's a great sell. It's super good, y'all. Y'all gotta try it for real.